Over here, I'm going to show you how to use Arena AI to create advert video. As you can see, Arena AI is a free app that you can use. So you just go over to your browser and click on type Arena AI out. So this is what you can do. Alright, Arena AI can be used to build your website. You can just give it a prompt. It can be used to edit your images. You can use it for video, and it can be used to build an app. So it almost can do almost everything. But for the purpose of this class, we are going to be using it to create video. All right, you can also go for research. You can use Arena AI to research. So you need to do is to click on this video, the video icon you are seeing there. When you click on this video icon, it's going to tweak the environment to be able to receive your video. So all you need to do is to add your prompt. I'm going to copy and paste my prompt. I already wrote my prompt out, so I'm going to zoom that in so that I can show you the prompt that I'm using. A very simple and direct forward prompt. This prompt is going to create an advert video for me. It's a generate a video about a new app launching soon. The app name should be called Quiver Social App. The presenter should be a female Nigerian putting on customized Quiver Social App t-shirt. She should talk about the app user ability. Alright, so this is a short video that is going to create for us, and this video is an advert about a particular app that's about to be launched. Alright, so it's that very simple. So what you need to do you click on this direction button, alright, to submit your prompt so that you can start developing your prompt. Now, since this is the first time we are entering, you need to agree before you can use it, and you need to create an account. So go to click on agree. Now here we have to create account, very important. So click on your Google. So I click on my Google in order to create an account. So I just continue with one of the email that I have there. Just wait for it to load up. Alright, so okay, I think I have to do that again. The email was not accepted, so I have to do that again. So before you do anything on Arena AI, you have to log in. So I'll have to log in this time around proper. So once I log in, I'll be able to the prompt will start generating now. Since I've logged in now, the prompt has already started generating immediately. Alright, so the prompt is already generating. Now Arena AI will give you two different video. It gives you two different formats to pick from. So it's going to generate two different video for us to pick from. Alright, now usually the first video is usually better than the second, according to what I've noticed about Arena AI. The first video is usually better and more equipped than the other video. So this first video has already generated, so we don't want this to try to be more than 5 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and just play this first video that was generated. Alright, now you might not be able to hear the sound because I'm using the mic to record, so the sound will not come outside because I'm using the mic to record. Alright, so this is the video that we ask Arena AI to create for us. If I hit on play, right, it's currently loading because it's still currently generating. So we're going to wait for it to finish generating. You can see it's still generating the other version of the video. Alright, so we can just go ahead and play it. Now this one is already playing. So here is the video. Now you can't hear what it's saying because it's currently the sound is off because we are using the mic, as you can see. So it's a very short video and direct. So you can